Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And yes, I'm on the mini fashion bandwagon. I purchased both of these together as a set from Amazon. Fingers crossed they aren't duplicates. I've been seeing these opened up all over YouTube and I need some of these. Or my dolls do. So I'm going to start peeling it off instead of having you watch me do all that painstaking and everything. Let me go ahead and get the plasticky thing off and I'll be right back. Woo, that took some doing. Okay, so I've got one of them done. I want to go ahead and open it up, and then I'll open up the next one. That was quite involved. All right, so let's see. We've got mini fashion. This must be the purse. And then these must be the accessories. Yes, I can feel them in there. I think they're supposed to be, yeah, so there's 5 surprises, a purse, and then as one, and then 4 little, accessories. Here's the little menu of items. And let's see, let's start with the accessories. Oh, so I guess this is what's in here. Well, that's kind of weird. All right, that's odd that they tell you. And this is a little can with MF on it, I think. Does it open? Yes. It's got, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. Is that supposed to be makeup, maybe? Let's see. And then we've got, oh, is this lipstick? Does it open? Oh, it does. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. And then some little sunglasses. Oh, I have a lot of little sunglasses from Barbie. But these are pretty nice, actually. They have that Ray-Ban look. So, yeah, I'll see if a Barbie can... obviously, I will show these on a doll at the end of the video. So, okay, let's move on. Let's see if this is what... Is this just a sticker? Oh, this is a sticker. Okay, so hopefully they didn't ruin my surprise. Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay, so that's not the same exact purse, so they didn't ruin it. Look how pretty that is. This is pretty nice too. All right, is there like a chain in here? The handles are in there. Come on, handles. Get out. Oh, hold on. All right, I got the handles out. Goodness. I have to say I'm not in love with these handles. I mean, like, the purse is huge like that. It doesn't flatten, and these handles are kind of thick. I really like what it's made out of. There's even these little pegs at the bottom. Let me see, what is it on here? So, it's this one right here. But, I mean, I could change out. Oh, there's little, oh, look, there's little charms. So, what is that? Like a little, oh, a heart and a key. A lock and a key. See, a lock, heart, and a key. That's cute. I could switch these out, though. I could probably put different, like, you know what would be cute instead of these bulky things? Is to get some gold chain and replace these with gold chain. That would be a little bit cuter. But I'll see what it looks like. Maybe when I put it on a doll, I'll like it better. And see if everything fits in here. This is, I guess that's a big can of makeup. And her lipstick. Get her lipstick in there. And her sunglasses. All right. Too cute. Okay, let me open up the other one. Fingers crossed we don't have duplicates. Right, here's the other one. Boy, the second time was much easier. I used a little pair of scissors and ripped through that plastic stuff. That helped a lot. Be careful, though, if you decide to do that and you don't cut yourself. All right, so we have, of course, the little menu item again. And this feels like it's the purse. It feels different, so maybe it's a different purse. And then these are the accessories. I wonder if you get the same accessories with the same purse. Oh, probably not, because... All right, so here we have a little... Oh, I would love to have this purse. I hope that's what's in the next little baggie. And what we got here? We've got, oh, a compact. That's cute. Does it open up here? Yeah. Oh my goodness, got even like a little mirror. That's pretty cool. I like that. And then, whoa, a tube of something. Does the top come off? No. Just as well, I'd probably lose that. So a tube of something. And maybe, oh, lip gloss. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, those are cute. Alrighty. Let's see what's in here. Pretty big. Oh, it's the green purse. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like this. Yes. Little faux zipper there. This is nice. It's very soft, too. Let's see. Does it open up? What's inside here? Yeah, there's a little bit of paper in there. And, yeah, this is pretty nice. Very nicely finished on the inside. Yep, these will go in there. How cute. Oh my goodness, that's cute. I still hope to get this someday, but I am very, very happy with this one. This one I'm so happy. I'm not thrilled. I don't like the handles, but let me put them on some dolls and I'll be right back. Okay, I really think these items are more for 1/6 scale dolls. You can see I've got Made to Move Barbie here. She's one of the yoga Barbies, and she's got the sunglasses on, the compact in her hand, and the pink purse. And just to see what it looked like, I put the larger green purse on my Ellowyne Wilde, and I think that is okay. It actually, I think it would work, but, excuse me, honey, here. If we bring it over here and have Blythe carry the purse, I don't know. I think it works a bit better for her. Don't you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you had any of these yet? Have you succumbed to the mini fashion little bulbs or whatever you want to call them? And yeah, have a wonderful dolly day. I always appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.